holidays, let's get in the Christmas spirit with some Christmas cardio. I love the holidays so much. They just make me happy. There's gifts, there's cooking, there's cookies, there's food, there's family. Even though this year it's like family on Zoom, but that's okay. It's still the holiday spirit. So if you are feeling like you wanna up that heart rate, let's do some Christmas cardio, and you can go ahead and send this to your family and friends too, and do it together to get in the Christmas spirit. Okay, ready? Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're starting out some plie variations. Arms out, legs out. Let's go down now, down and up, low and lift. Yeah, good. And press. Keep the chest open. All right, curtsies. Back, tap, tap. Good. And switch. Nice. Now let's get into those squats. And we're down, slow, we up, lift. Really sitting low and lift. Again, slow. Keep that chest up. Now 3, 2, 1 squats. 3, 2, 1, bring it up. Good stuff. Down, 2, 3, head up. Side squats. Down and center and low and up. Get those inner thighs. Nice. Switch sides. Here we go. Down and lift. You're doing amazing. You like my song choice so far? This is a Glee version of it. A Jingle Bell Rock. All right, curtsy lunges. Here, tap. Here, tap. And switch sides. Squat. Oh, down. Up, low, lift. Just feel the music. I hope you're having a beautiful holiday. Good. 3, 2, 1, lift. Low, low, low. You got it. How those legs feeling? Keep going. Plie variations. Down, up, low, and lift. Man, the heart rate's up. Good. Down, up. Almost there. And hold it there. Little lower. Keep the chest up. Arms out. Little lower. Yes! All right, next song. We have some heart opener lunges to Holly Jolly Christmas. Okay, so this is what this looks like. You're gonna go ahead and bring the leg back. Open up the heart, okay? And I just kind of want to dance here. Anyway, we gotta get started. Ready? Back and here. Now switch the leg. Do it again. Come on. Open the heart. Good, couple more. Then we're gonna do some present pickups. Facing forward. Now, present, pick it up. Heavy present, what is it? Lift. Is it a bunch of cookbooks? Is it a new computer? I don't know. A tool set? I don't know. Why did I say tool set? Again. Down and lift, keeping those toes facing forward. Nice work. Now, sweeping sunflowers. Check it out. Sweep, sweep, plie, and open. Again, sweep, sweep, plie, and celebrate. Again. Really pick up that snow and throw it. It's not snowing here though. And pick it up. All right, heart openers. Back and up, nice and slow. Open the heart. Yes, feel the shoulders. Okay, present pickups. Down and up, a little faster than before. Almost there. down, up, down, and hold. Yes! Okay, this is so much fun, you guys. Now, next one, we've got some Ariana Grande, Last Christmas. We're gonna do some plank walk openers, so head down on the floor. Whew. Now what you're gonna do is bring one leg in, you're gonna open the arm, then bring it down, and you're gonna plank again, okay? Get ready, right leg forward. Here we go. In, up, and down, and back. In, up, down, and back again. One more. Now some butt-ups, hands underneath the shoulders. Lift, lift, and hold in plank. Lift, lift, hold it in that plank, yes. Good stuff. Now, we're gonna add a jack to that. One butt up, one jack. So, lift, down, out, in. We'll do two jacks. Up, down, out, in, lift. Very good. Up, down, yeah. Now, cross here, slow mountain climbers. Across the knee to the elbow, opposite. Tap, in. Alrighty. Back to those butt-ups. Butt, plank, out, in. Up, plank, yup. Two more like that. Up, down, plank, jack, up, down. Give me those plank walk openers. Right here. In, up, down, and back. Bringing that leg up. Good stuff. All right, mountain climbers only. Come on. Really cross it. Give me 8. Butt-ups in 3, 2, 1. And lift for 2, hold plank for 2. Lift it up. And hold. Very nice. Lift. Alrighty. Jacks out and in. Nice and slow. Now fast. Out, in, and slow. Here we go. Out, in. Now fast. Butt ups. Lift. And plank. Good stuff. And lift. Nice. And one more. Lift. Walk the hands towards the feet. Now you guys, our final song, I had to. What is Christmas without a little Mariah, right? We're gonna end with a finale, okay? Right here, I just want you to feel it, okay? Feel. Oh yes, you're a diva. All right, now getting low. Go ahead and twist. Other side. Oh, nice twist. Plie. Your first move is gonna be some butt kickers. But right now, we're just feeling this intro. Get ready. Right here. Butt kickers. All right, we're gonna jive right here to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, switch sides. Good. Back to this side. Out. And other side. Now head into side squats. Here we go. Side squat. Other side. Side. Squat. All right. And plie. Arms up. Charleston. Kicks right leg. Up and down. Nice and slow. Up and down. A little faster. Up, down, up, down. Same thing, other side. Now kick and slow. Kick and slow. Make it fast. Butt kickers. Yeah, you can travel wherever you want. Come on. All right, now plie. Up, plie, up. Woo! Okay, heel, heel, down, down. Does this remind anyone of last year's routine? And up, down, down. Yes. Now, arms forward. Press, press, press. We're almost there. And hold, hold, hold. Jives right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. Again. And switch. Butt kickers, here we go. Yeah. Travel around the Christmas tree. Keep going. Whew. Okay, rockets. We're gonna go knee, kick, knee, kick, knee, kick. And knee, kick, knee, kick. Keep going. It's tiring. Knee, kick, knee, kick. A little more. 2 and 1. Oh man, my heart rate is up. I am in the Christmas cardio holiday spirit. I hope you are too. Now, whatever holiday you're celebrating, I can't speak. Now, whatever holiday you're celebrating, I hope you spend it with the ones that you love. You're eating a lot of nourishing foods and you're just like making your soul happy. Okay, right now my heart is dying. I'm gonna go drink some water and take a little break, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below how you feel. Please share it with one friend or family member. Okay, happy holidays, guys. I'll see you next time.